I thought, how many people are turning out for a whole day about the energy crisis? There'll be like 12.
There are nearly 4,000 people here. This is not like your typical conference. There's loads of people in Hawaiian shirts.
In just 1 hour, the sun delivers enough energy to the top of our atmosphere that humanity would need in 1 whole year.
You built this incredible public good, gave it away as a gift to humanity.
Elon tweeted, defund Wikipedia, and we brought in about $5 million that day, so bring it, Elon.
You have a saying that talent is universal, but opportunity is not.
If I don't solve this problem, nobody's going to solve it for me.
The natural strengths of the UK are immense. But in sectors like this, we lead the world. We really do.
I think energy is everything.
We forget how simple this is. It's not a matter of politics or ideology or persuasion. It's science.
Secretary Kerry, you played bass guitar in a band called the Electras.
They can get it online. There you go.
How many articles are in Wikipedia about octopi? There'll be a page about Octopus Energy.
Yeah.
Or will there be a page about the Octopus Energy mascot? Probably not.
I will find out for you.
Very good.
It wouldn't be a tech summit without a tech announcement.
This is Swaptopus. The technology is mind-blowing.
Take a huge truck, remove the battery from it, and put a new battery in.
Yes, totally automatic, around 5 minutes.
We will be launching our Octopus Nook plug-in batteries next year. Even if you don't have solar panels, they'll pay for themselves in 2 or 3 years.
There's never been a better time to go electric.
Electrification, electrification, and electrification.
We've got about 2 million EVs on the roads in the UK now. That's about 6%.
Global domination was my aim.
Since we launched the smart tariffs, collectively we have all saved over £1 billion against standard tariffs.
The smart meter is the lock. The tariff I'm on is the key.
How many tiny pink octopuses can you fit in an electric car?
And the winner of the car is Chris Charles!
I haven't had a car for 10 years, so it's quite exciting.
I think more big company bosses would run better companies if they spent time meeting their customers. Can I get a quick selfie? Thank you. Right then. Don't worry, it's not cruel. They're not alive.